Welcome viewers, welcome to DFO Brisbane and SkyGate. Now DFO is an acronym for Direct Factory Outlet. So we're at the DFO Brisbane, basically Brisbane Airport Precinct. And yeah, we're going to pop in and have a coffee. Why not? See you soon. It's a fantastic skinny flat white extra hot at Gloria jeans. Beautiful. So there we go, folks. I actually spent a couple of hours in there. I had a couple of coffees at Gloria jeans just through the door there on the left, and free Wi-Fi, free shopping centre Wi-Fi. So it does bump in and out a bit, but free shopping centre Wi-Fi at DFO Brisbane. A couple of really nice coffees, skinny flat white extra hot at the Gloria jeans in DFO Brisbane, Brisbane Airport. Love the sound of an aeroplane, don't you? Enjoy the balance of your day. Cheers.